Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us discuss terms in valuation like book value, market value, salvage value, scrap value, etc. First one, book value. The value of property recorded in the account book maintained by the government agencies. Government agencies will maintain a record book or account book. In that account book, the value of the property is mentioned. So for every property there will be some value. Book value will be calculated as book original cost minus depreciation. Every year the cost of the property will be depreciated. So book value is equal to original value minus depreciation. If you want to buy some property or sell some property, there will be some value to that property. That is called book value. Next one, market value. The exchange of properties in the open market without any reservation, force, etc. It may be higher than book value or lower than book value. It may take dynamic changes, price changes. The open market value which is there in the open market at certain places is called market value, friends. Book value and market value are both are different from each other. Next one, scrap value. It is the value amount earned by the dismantling property which is absolutely no use except for selling as a scrap. If a property or if a product has no value except for selling, so we will sell that as scrap. Once the utility period or useful period of the property is completed, then break down the property in small dismantling units and sell it as a scrap. It has no value if you sell it as a product. So the amount fetched by selling the dismantling unit is known as scrap value, friends. Now scrap value and salvage value are both are different, friends. Salvage value means if you sell it is the amount fetched by the property if the property is disposed without dismantling. Once the property utility period is over, the property sold as it is without breaking, then the amount earned by such is called salvage value. If the property period means if a property utility period is over, if we break down into pieces and if we sell it, then it is called scrap value. If we don't break down into pieces, it has some more value inside hiding in it, then if we sell without dismantling, then it is called salvage value, friends. Both, if any product can be, if utility period is over, it's completely no value, then it is called scrap value. Otherwise it is called salvage value. Now distress value, friends. When any property fetches the price less than the market value, then the property is said to have distress value. Means the value is distressed. Like if some brothers and sisters are fighting, then the value of that property may decrease, or the original value of the property may distress due to some external forces. The annuity, the annual periodic payments for repayment of the capital amount invested by a party, either paid at the end of the year or beginning of the year, usually for specific number of years. An annuity is one that provides you periodic payment for a term that you have chosen. Now, obsolescence. The value of property becomes less if outdated in style. Every property will be outdated, and the new models will come, and the old models may be outdated. So it is called